Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing okay. Let's just wait for one more minute, and we will officially start. Good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is okay. Good morning there in the United States. Good evening here in the Philippines. Magandang hapon. Malapit na maggabi dyan sa Middle East. Good morning wherever you are. Okay, you know what? I think I was on mute the whole time. I was on mute the whole time. So anyways, yan ang excuse ng mga nagtatrabaho from work from home. Anyways, as I was saying, thank you guys. Thank you for all the love and the support that you've given to me over the past couple of days. If you will notice, bago ang screen natin today, no, we already have an ability to see real time ang ating active viewers. Active viewers, 142. And then, we have already a ticker dyan sa ibaba yung kulay green. It's already raised to 15,000. Bakit kaya siya 15,000? Because we are already 9,700 subscribers. Guys, ang laki na. Lumalaki na ang Miranda Minor team. Congratulations. Thank you. Yes, Charles, you're correct. Medyo may pagka-blooper tayo kayo. Kasi kanina pa, I'm trying to test a new system. Sabi ko nga kanina, I'm trying to test a new system. Medyo cool naman yung system natin ngayon. May pagka-millennial. Because you could already see the number of viewers no sa screen. No? We have 148 as we speak. Gawin nating 300 dyan. Guys, i-share nyo naman ang link natin para other people can learn. No? Share it to other groups, share it to other people para may mga para kumonti at kumonti yung mga taong nawawala sa pagiging crypto noob nila or nob nila, right? Okay, so yeah, so we're going to grow and grow and grow further, and I'm just really so proud to all of you. Parang ang energy ko today mas maganda sa energy ko kanina. Parang night shift talaga si Coach Miranda Minor, no? Yeah, so papansit kanton naman daw si John Michael Palang. O sige, papansit kanton tayo, alright? Si Charles, hey moderator Charles, thank you for staying with us, no? Thank you kanina pa yan. So thank you, thank you. Nick Angelo Ruiz, congrats coach, face reveal na sa 10K. Wow. Okay na muna yung ating sigurong boses. Papagandahin muna ng coach yung boses niya. Parang ganito. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to my show. Pwede ba yung ganung boses na lang ang gawin natin? Ayan. So, yeah, wow. Thank you, Evander. Team Skip No Ads. Maraming maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ash, 10K subs face reveal. Papagawa ko po muna yung ating background para maganda po yung ating background. Papagawa po tayo ng magandang background natin. Ayan, mag-charting na daw ako, sabi ni Dexter. Okay, sige, sige, sige. Let's start na, no? All right, let's start with our show for today. Before we go with our regular charting, let me just quickly read the news. No, so today's market currency, cryptocurrency by market capitalization. So medyo green, no? May pagka-green ngayon ng market natin. Look at that, no? Over the past 24 hours, and it's actually changing real time. Bitcoin 21.94% increase for the day, followed by Ethereum 25.81%, Binance Coin 24.73%, Cardano 44.63%, up again to 1.9. Kung napasukan mo yun ng 1.1, congratulations sa'yo. Okay, XRP is up at 19.22% at 1.25 US dollar Tether. Dogecoin up to 0.42. Polkadot up at 30.33 at 28.97%. ICP up at 58%, actually 92.66%. Bitcoin Cash 845 at 35.71%. Sabi ko kanina sa aking session at 5 o'clock, I need you guys to be very careful. I'm going to wear my contrarian hat right now, no? When I say contrarian hat, ito yung tinatawag nating I'm trying to wear my contradicting lens or mindset. Kumbaga, yes, you're seeing an uptick today, no? Pero I said earlier, kailangan nyo magantay ng consolidation. Okay, you need to wait for consolidation because it's still a very volatile market. Imagine ninyo in a span of 12 hours, bumagsak ng negative 23% and after 12 hours lumipad ng 23%, no? It's very volatile, and if hindi ka gising ng 12 hours, may iwan ka diyan, and pag natakot ka at you are able to cut loss, sayang naman yung pera mo, 'di ba? Sayang ang pera natin. The total crypto market is up 1.85 trillion, 37.18% increase over the last day. Of course, may volume ngayon, no? May volume, which is obviously good, no? But something for us to still wait, no? Still wait tayo. Tapos, sa mga minero, bumaba ang ating GWEI today, 114 GWEI from yesterday of 340 GWEI. Meron tayong problema sa China in terms of electrical supply, no? And then Bitcoin dominance is up to 42.2%. Bumagsak yan ng less than 40% kahapon, but it's already up 42.2%. Ethereum up at 18.3%. Market capitalization up, as I've said, 1.85 trillion. And then let's go to the other news today, no? Okay, in other news, VC firm White Star Capital raises $50 million for crypto and blockchain fund. This is a good news, no? Because the fund has already invested in 6 firms, including Safe Hello Crypto Exchange, no? Many investment firms or investment capitalists are already investing in the world of cryptocurrency, and that's really a good news, as everyone is obviously trying to embrace the cryptocurrency from a investment perspective, no? Another news: ex Goldman Sachs BlackRock veteran joins crypto trading platform Apinify or Fini as CTO, no? So magandang news yan from ex Goldman Sachs. So we'll see. Chainlink Labs joins Hedera Hashgraph Governing Council. Bitcoin remains under pressure, faces resistance at 45K. We'll see if this will further, if it will further bounce. We'll chart later on. Flash loan attack causes DeFi token Bunny to crash over sobrang bagsak tong token bunny 95%. Nakita ko to kanina, no, and I hope none of you have been affected by this, no. Sobrang manipulation kasi na pwedeng mangyari from a hacker. Look at this. A hacker used pancake swap to manipulate the bunny market and crash its price to nearly zero. No? Ayan ang problema kasi kapag hindi mo kilala ang developer ng isang programming, pwede kasing ma-hack, no? Even the developer themselves, no? Even if the transaction is immutable, the immutability of the transaction only happens after the transaction was done. No, but doesn't mean that the particular decentralized exchange like Pancake Swap cannot be hacked. No, you need to remember that, and that's what I always say. No, sa inyong staking, meron pa ring tinatawag tayong mga risks. No, risk in terms of staking, risks in terms of putting your money on liquidity pools, lalo kung di nyo kilala yung nagbibigay ng liquidity pool sa inyo, no, o yung nagbibigay ng liquidity sorry ng staking opportunity sa inyo, no. All right, another news, ito medyo dumadami yung news natin about the government of the United States being engaged in cryptocurrency. No wonder, because Elon Musk, being a billionaire himself, has been being tagged as a manipulator, sabi nila, no. So right now dumadami bukod sa Office of the Office of the Currency Control, which is OCC. Bukod dyan, the U.S. agency now is actually issuing warning to consumers of fraudulent emails seeking Bitcoin wallet keys. No? So, guys, another reminder, ingat-ingat kayo. Diniscuss natin to sa ating week 1 of cryptocurrency basics. Wag po tayong wag po tayong mag-iiwan, no? Wag po tayong mag-iiwan ng um, kung ano-anong passwords or keywords, na in online, right? Do not share your wallet seed, no? And of course, make sure that your account is protected with a two-factor authentication. Diniscuss natin yan. And when you are actually trying to transfer money, make sure you're considering yung mga BEP protocols, ERC protocols, BEP20 protocols. Kapag namali ka dyan, yung pera na yan will be something na hindi mo na makukuha. It's gonna be gone. No? Especially if you tried to transfer a currency to a wrong wallet. Pwedeng makita mo dyan, naka-hold lang yun sa wallet mo because hindi naman siya nag-push, so wala siyang pinuntahan, no? But you could never get it back, no? All right, and then another new Senate banking chairman concerned by OCC's crypto charter, so pinag-uusapan na talaga, no? And another one today, 4:46 in the morning, market wrap, capitulation city as Bitcoin dumps 31K. This is already sort of an old news, no? Because Bitcoin is already up 41K today. We'll see, no? We'll see on what's going to be happening here. And then let's go back to the just a couple of reminders from me, no? A couple of reminders, and I discussed this kanina. And also I reinforced this sa ating schedules, no. I reinforced this to one of my videos, no. Hapayawan ko lang to na mabilis. There are three things that I'd like you to do, no. Actually four things that I'd like you to do during the time of capitulation. And tatandaan nyo to, kapag ito nangyari ulit, it's trying to recover right now. But if this happens again, these are the couple of things I'd like you to consider that you do. And I've discussed this during the 5 o'clock live stream earlier, no. Number one, the art of cutting losses. It means that hanggat andyan pa yan and you're not selling, you're not still at a loss. No, it's only a paper loss. Okay? And I know in the States, even if you sell, it's gonna be a taxable transaction already, right? In a normal environment outside the United States, the charge right now, an average of a maker and taker fee is only 0.1% sa Binance. No, I know there are other centralized exchanges today that are charging higher whenever there's a change of hands, no, sa mga coins natin. However, at an average, it's actually 0.1%, no, and I'm only saying that it's because maliit na nga yung charge on maker and taker fees. Then it only means that mas na magnify yung losses mo. No, it's not going to the CE themselves. No, na magnify yung losses mo. So another way to deal with the capitulation is either you do the art of cutting your losses, or you set it up before it even hits the 40%, 50% drop in your price, no. But if you don't touch it, then it's still gonna be on your wallet, no? Speaking of that, we will have our hodl, no? Our hodl or hold um, in strategy as well, no? HODL, this is actually a term derived from a spelling of hold that refers to buy and hold strategy in the context of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. No, this term originated way back 2013 with a post to the Bitcoin Talk Forum. No, so um, you are hodling. Basically, it's a strategy already. No, it's a philosophy and a strategy. Okay, it's actually a byword in cryptocurrency that shuts down. That's actually allows you to be able to be strategic on short-term price movements. No, obviously may mga short-term volatility. Imagine ninyo for the past 24 hours, sobrang nag-volatile ang coins natin, no? And hodling is actually a strategy to combat fear of missing out or FOMO. It can also combat FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, no, and which can actually lead by selling low, no. So the latter is actually occasionally referred as sodling, no. If you're actually not hodling, you're sodling. Okay? So for hardcore believers, cryptocurrency known as maximalist, HODL represents more than a strategy for reigning in FOMO. So if you wanted to combat fear of missing out because you don't want to buy on the dip, or you just wanted to sell, right? Just hold, or hodl lang, right? Put that in your perspective. Okay. Another one is dollar cost averaging. No, so basically dollar cost averaging. In short, you are putting an investment or putting some funds in a particular asset in a regular period of time. So, for example, you're doing an investment every 15th of the month, which is, let's say, May 15, June 15, July 15, etc., etc. And what's going to happen is that whatever the price of the coin or the asset or the currency na meron during that time, mabibili mo yon, no? And basically, dollar cost averaging is basically, imagine niyo tong chart na ipapakita ko ngayon, no? So imagine that this particular chart is actually let me just try to open my screen, guys. So, yeah. So basically, look at this chart, no. And when we look into the 1 hour, 1 hour chart, or let's do a 1 day chart. 1 day chart. This one, okay. So let's say you are actually investing every uh the fifth of the month. Let's do a horizontal line. Let's say March 5, you were able to buy. Okay, let's say on January 5, you were able to buy at 0.26 on ADA. Okay, and then February 5, you're able to buy 0.50. And then on March 5, you were able to buy 1.32. And then on April 5, you were able to buy, okay, almost the same price. Let's say 1.21. And then on May 5, you were able to buy at 1.49, no? So it's actually increasing. However, for example lang, no? For example, the price of the coin actually went down, no? What if the price of the coin went down to 1.29, 1.30, sabihin natin 1.30, no? Bumagsak yung price ng coin at 1.30, and then this was probably, let's assume this is gonna be the June 5 price. Assumption lang natin, no? June 5. So, ang mangyayari dyan, when you zoom out on a year, buong taon, may mga pagkakataon that, for example, you were able to buy at 1.49 nung May 5, pero nakabili ka ng June 5 at 1.30. Ang law of dollar cost averaging in a very simplest manner is that bumibili ka on a regular interval disregarding the price fluctuation, at kung saan at the end of the year mag-average yan sa gitna, because there's gonna be a time you will buy at the high price, there's gonna be a time you will buy at the low price, and eventually at the end of the year it will net average into a particular price of an asset, no? So dollar cost averaging is another strategy that you could actually use, no? Although may mga limitations yan, pero I'll not deep dive into it kasi very, 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 very technical na. But on a very high level, no, a dollar cost averaging or peso cost averaging, if you're using a peso currency from a trading standpoint, then you could actually use that, no. Pasok sa XRP ng 20, pasok sa XRP ng 50, that's an average of around 35, for example, 'di ba? Pasok sa pasok sa XRP ng 45, then pasok sa XRP ng 90, it's an average of 65, for example, 'di ba? So, that's another strategy, no. And last but not the least, I'd like you to make sure you consider the word consolidation, no. Consolidation is basically wherein you see that a coin or a stock is typically trading within a limited price, okay, within a limited price, and limited price range, and it's actually offering a relatively few trading opportunities, no. So pagmunta tayo ng chart ng mabilis, when we go on the charting, let's go to the 1 hour. When I say consolidation, okay, when I say consolidation, let me just try to close all of the drawings here. Yan. By the way, nag-plot tayo kanina, nag-breakout yan sa triangle na to, no? Biglang bumulusok pataas. So, we'll see. Okay. Okay, when I say consolidation, you will notice that in this particular graph, no? In this particular graph, by the way, no, we'll do some live charting. Kapag ito nabasag niya, actually nabasag na eh. This can further probably even go higher. Okay, the chart can probably even go higher. But as I've said, you need to consider consolidation. What do I mean by consolidation? Consolidation basically means dapat nagre-range lang siya in terms of a trading na galaw, no? So when we do a rectangle, yan, it's actually forming. We'll see if it is going to form another resistance. But I need more support. We need to see more support and resistance, no? Para mapatunayan natin na masadong matibay na yung support na to, right? So here, tanggalin natin si volume. When we remove the volume, meron siyang meron na siyang malalim na support eh. Pero isang beses pa lang siya nag-bounce on that support, 'di ba? This at point 1.02, and we need more of this, no. We need more of this. There's actually a bounce here here on this particular trend line, but this is just one bounce, no. We need more of this. Kapag nag-bounce siya ulit dito, this means that it's already a potentially strong support, no. So consolidation means we need to see a range. Hindi siya pwedeng ganito na ganyan, no, from 1.30 hanggang 2.45, 'di ba? Or punta tayo sa baba tayo ng 30 minutes, no? Hindi siya pwedeng sobrang maging volatile na in a span of 1 o'clock in the morning hanggang 4:30 in the morning, bumagsak ng, yan, let's do a price range charting here, no? From 1 in the morning, nakita niyo yan, from 1 in the morning hanggang alas 4 ng hapon, bumagsak ng 16.13%. No, in less than 3 hours and 30 minutes. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. It's still a very volatile na galaw, right? Dapat controlled yung range niya, no? So when you look into a couple of strategies, ulitin natin. Number 1, sulat niyo yan. Number 1, art of cutting losses. Okay, we need to make sure we know and understand this. Okay, number 2, we do need to hodl. All right, hodl as a strategy. Alright, number 3, dollar cost averaging or peso cost averaging. Alamin natin yan. Make sure that you understand that, no? And then last but not the least, consolidation. Wait for a consolidation before you even enter for long term, because kung gaano ang nilipad ng currency today, kung gaano nilipad niya, look at that, no? Look at this range, no? Itong range niya from here to there, lumipad ng almost 49.50% in less than 13 hours. So what is going to stop this currency to go down again another 49.5% in another 12 hours? 'Di ba? What is going to stop this coin? 'Di ba? And if you look into the fluctuation of this coin kahapon, when we were looking into this, from this one to this one, right? The price dropped almost negative 27.19 96% in 8 hours. So, nung 8 hours, bumagsak ng negative 27%, and then after 13 hours, pumalo ng 49.50%. Right? No, so sobrang volatile unless otherwise you're doing dollar cost averaging, marami kang pera, bumili ka sa 1.32 tapos bumili ka sa 1.85. Dalawang binilhan mo. Eh di average lang yun, mag 1.6 yung average mo. Yun yung power niya. 'Di ba? That's the power of dollar cost averaging. But as if you have a lot of money, no? Actually ngayon ang problema, may mga problema ngayon ng Binance because the deposit infrastructure nagka-clog, ang dami nagde-deposit. Ang daming gustong pumasok, 'di ba? All right? So dapat you need to see consolidation, no? Kapag ikaw ay short term trading like 30 minutes, no? Bilang ka mga tatlo or apat na bounce. Malakas na 'yon within 30 minutes, no? 30 minutes, malakas na 'yan. It could further be a potentially strong bounce. Pero akit ka din sa one day, no? Akit ka sa one day. Look at this, no? When we further expound this, okay? In-expound natin 'yan. Tanggalin ko yung mga price na 'to. Ah. Ayan, no? It's still when you look at the day chart, sobrang volatile pa din, ang hahaba. Sobrang haba niya, oh, 'di ba? So, if you're going to do swing trading meaning you want it to go back couple of weeks, couple of days, no? Then you need to consider the right entry point, no? Ang haba ng candle, oh, almost price range from here to almost there. Pumalo almost ng 51% volatility. The coin to drop 51% is really, really significant. It can liquidate everyone, right? And sure enough, when we look into the cryptocurrency liquidations, let's try to find that, no? Let's try to find our liquidations platform. Give me a second. Let me do some answering of the questions here. Okay. Mail the Explorer, bakit di nagno-notify pero naka-note on notify? Ang alin po? Dodge to the moon na ba? Okay. Ace Forte, Dodge to the moon. Hey Ace, let's see. Let's go with Bitcoin. How many got liquidated yesterday? Okay, hang on a second. Let me just try to open it. Okay, hey Judex, hello. Thank you. Hey boss from Maryland, USA. Wow, good morning there. Ingat sa pagpasok. Okay, let me try to open liquidations. Ilang percent ang suggested for cut losses? It depends on your plan or your trade, no? If you're a newbie, I would encourage you to cut loss at 5%. Okay? Cut loss at 5%, no? Ayan, no? So liquidations for the past 24 hours, $405 million got liquidated. People that are doing long, okay? People are doing long. People that are doing short, 273 million got liquidated. Diba? And that's very, very, very significant. Right? Ayan, no? Look at this, oh. Guys, almost $1 billion got liquidated May 19 nung alas 12. May alas 4, alas 2 ng ang hapon, alas 11 ng umaga. When you combine the entire strength of this particular liquidations, people, almost $1 billion got liquidated in this particular currency called BTC. No? So if you are a newbie, please, if you don't know how to play futures, wag ka munang pumasok. Because pag napanalo mo yan ng let's say $100, pwede ka ring ipatalo ng $200 niyan. 'Di ba? Pwede kang ipatalo ng $200 niyan. So you need to be very, very careful. Right? You need to be very careful in terms of, what are the potential risks, no? Risks in terms of futures. Wag kang papasok sa futures pag hindi mo alam, no? Pwede kang manalo diyan because of a strategy, but sa sobrang volatility ng market today, lalong-lalo na for the next couple of days, don't, please, if you're really good, go ahead, but if you're a newbie, don't enter the futures market for now. Okay? Baka maging part ka ng statistics, no? $1 billion dollars got almost liquidated in one day alone. Right? And that is very, very significant. 'Di ba? That's very significant, and that's one thing I'd like all of you, me being your mentor, I'd like all of you to be very mindful of, right? Because that is not an easy situation. Look at this, oh. Look at that, no? So on May 19, which is Wednesday kahapon, yan 2.18 billion kasama si all of the centralized exchanges, no? 2.18 billion got liquidated on people that are buying long. No, akala kasi nila tataas na, 'di ba? And then almost half a billion liquidation for people who are shorting. 'Di ba? And that's not an easy statistics to see because you don't know if you're able to get the money from utang ba yan, from equity loan, no? Did you get that money to fund your account when you took out a loan, no? And maliliquidate ka lang, right? You don't do that. That's a very risky move. No, baka batuhin ka ulit ng tabo ng asawa mo tulad ng nangyari kahapon. Or nang palabasin ka sa kulambo ng asawa mo, 'di ba? I'm just trying to make fun out of it, but it's a very serious conversation because ma-wipe out ka ng 5,000 peso in a day, that's a 5,000 peso in a day. 'Di ba? That's a 5,000 pesos. And that's not an easy money, 'di ba? Naipit ka ng 5,000 pesos is, well, not just naipit, na-liquidate ka na, nag-text na lang sa'yo. Ang ayaw na ayaw mo makikita sa text mo ng Binance is you got liquidated. And by the way, dapat si Binance, what's this? Nire-remind ka niyan. Nire-remind ka niyan in terms of your potential liquidations at around 80%. No? If not, then you need to make sure kasama mo lagi yung telepono mo. Diba? This is a very serious conversation, guys, and I hope that you are able to really pick up the lessons because it's not an easy money to lose, no? Baka bukod sa mawalan ka ng Binance funds, mawalan ka din ng asawa, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Saan na pupunta yung naliliquidate, no? If you're liquidated, it's actually paying those that are shorting. Okay? Because that's derivatives. Yan ang ano yan. Diyan na pupunta ganyan ang dynamics ng futures, no? The shorters are paying the buyers are paying the shorters. And ang fees lang diyan ng exchange is the commission, no? Wala silang kinalaman sa exchange or sa bayad, no? I mean, the trading happens between the buyers and the sellers. Okay? All right. Yun, good. Nagre-remind daw pag 80% na, parang alam natin ni Gabriela. I have the same thought. Saan po kayo napupunta ang mga liquidate? Yung money na yan, as I've said, it goes to the other parts of the, if you're buying long, no, and then kumbaga you're trying to predict that the price will go high, but some people are predicting the price will go low. They're the shorters, di ba? Pag manalo yung shorters, talo kang bayad sa kanila. Di ba? Okay, hi coach watching from Canada. Hi, hey Arlene, thank you for watching. Saan ka sa Canada? Na-miss ko na ang Canada. Thank you for watching. Alam mo, ang ganda-ganda dyan, lalo na sa Montreal. I really fell in love with the place. Sobrang ganda. It's an old French area. I did try to learn French a little bit. And I did try to to enroll in a French 101 class just para malaman ko lang mag-introduce ng pangalan ko. Very very simple French, saying hi and everything. But stay tuned and thank you for watching, and I hope that you're okay there in Canada, and and Vancouver is also a very beautiful place, no? All right. Let's do ahead and read the questions, no? Good evening, boss. Lakas ng ulan sa amin pero hindi pwede matulog. Live pa din kasi. Wow, I hope everything is okay there. Nasaan po ba kayo, Jeffrey? I hope you're okay there wherever you are, no? Paul, punta ka sa Alberta. Paul, Edward Javate, punta ka sa Alberta. Oh, sobrang lamig dyan. Good luck. No, good luck dyan sa Alberta, no? All right. Okay, let's do some charting. No? Let's do the charts of our top 5 coins, and we'll go with our question and answer. Okay. Let's do a 15-minute view of our charts, no? Let's do a 15 minutes view. Okay, as I've said, no, okay, let's go with ADA. Add a line. Add a line. Let's look into the charts. Zoom out tayo sandali. Pakit tayo ng 1 hour. Okay? For 1 hour, akit tayo ng isa pa. So, trend line. Okay, basag. Nabasag tong line na to. Okay, true enough. No, there's a green candle. There's a very bullish candle, tatlong candle yan, but wait for another confirmatory candle pagkatapos nito. Then this particular hammer, this could reverse. No, this could reverse the trend line, no. But we'll see, no. Actually, pwede pa tong i-extend hanggang dito. Yan. So magandang channel breakout yan, but we'll see. It's still very very volatile. And baba tayo ng 15 minutes. Ayan, true enough, nagre-red na siya, no? So, okay, let's do another pattern, no? So, we'll do a, medyo meron siyang pagka-potential cup dito, no? Tapos, meron siyang maliit na handle. This one. Tapos, pagka-breakout niya sa handle na yon, tumuloy-tuloy na pataas, no? We'll see. We'll see, no? And then if we go further, let's go down to the 15 minutes. Medyo ang gagawin niyo dito, let's go to the parallel again. Sundan niyo lang 'yan, parallel na 'yan. Okay? Sundan niyo 'yan, and then if it breaks down sa chart natin, if it breaks out dito sa taas ng resistance ng channel na to, this can further go up, no? Tapos sabayan nyo din ng MACD. Sabayan nyo lang ng MACD. Tapos wait, yan, nag-bearish crossover na siya. So this can further go down, no? Nag-bearish crossover na siya. So we'll see. And then, let's do another. Okay, let's see. Okay, hang on, guys. This is gonna be for ADA, okay? And then let's go on the another potential horizontal line. Okay, kailangan niya pang basagin this is a very very strong resistance, no? This area. 2.14 to 2.24. Ang daming nag-bounce na nag-pull back na resistance dito, no? And then huwag nilang babasagin tong line na to. Okay? Those are the short-term considerations for ADA. Abang kayo sa 2.14 and 2.24 pag nabasag yan. There's a good probability of this coin to further go higher. Actually, ang range up until, maraming nauuntog sa 2.32. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 resistances nag-pull back, no? And then here, it's actually forming a higher lows, pero kailangan niya pang basagin yung 2.14 natin. Okay? Okay, let's go with Doge. Okay, same thing as you guys would have noticed, sabi ko rin kanina, no? Lahat siya magkakamukha because karamihan sa mga coins na yan, marami pa rin dyan ang naka-pair sa BTC. Okay? So the same information here, we'll do a parallel chart channel. Okay, wag lang dapat itong mababasag. Otherwise, this could further go down. Okay? And then, yan. So, pag nag-chart ka ng 15 minutes, huwag lang mababasag yan, And then, if we do, let's say, let's do Almachi template here. Let's do a 3 minutes. And let's do an Elma, but just close. Tapos, ang gawin nyo, guys, para hindi kayo mahirapan. Ito, tuturo ko sa inyo. Para hindi kayo mahirapan, tanggalin nyo yung volume. Okay? Tapos sabi ko kanina, 'di ba, na dapat ikaw ay magpa-plot sa loob ng major resistance and support, no? So, umakyat ka ulit sa 1 hour, okay? So, ang sabi, 'di ba ang sabi natin, kailangan nasa major resistance and support, no? So, ito nasa major resistance and support 'yan. Okay, if you go on the parallel chart again, i-drawing ulit natin. Nasa immediate channel breakout 'yan. So, we're going to do scalping sa loob niyan. Okay? We'll do a scalping sa loob niyan. And we will now go with our indicator template. Okay? Let's do okay. All right, let's do some scalping. All right. Let's do some scalping. So dapat naka 0.39 yung alalay natin. Let's do some scalping right now. All right. So gawin natin 'to. So we'll have Emma at na close. Okay, dapat si Emma. Tanggalin ko muna si volume. Ang gawin nyo ganito, si candle gawin yung line. Yan. Para di kayo mahirapan. Yung candle gawin yung line, gawin yung blue. Tapos tandaan nyo to ha, itong kulay blue sa part na to, this is gonna be your ano ha. Ito yung inyong support. Okay? Para hindi kayo mabasag bigla. Pag mabasag yan dyan, iilalim pa yan. Okay? Alright. So hanap tayo dyan ng um, potential entry. No? So dapat si Emma nag-close kay Alma. Right? So gablak yan natin. Ayan. Alright. We'll see. Okay, yung ganito, wag basta-basta papasok galing sa taas ha. Uh, okay, this one. This one is a good one. This one is a good one. Good entry. Kulay blue is your price candle. Yellow, hindi siya galing sa taas, no? The candle is actually from the bottom, no? Uh, this one, yan. Pag ganyan, huwag ka munang papasok dyan, no? Kailangan itong orange na to, pumalik yan pababa sa negative 100. Okay? Yan, tumataas na naman siya, so huwag ka munang pumasok. No? Kasi magaganyan ng price yan, yung green, yung blue na line, magaganyan-ganyan yan. Diba? Huwag ka munang pumasok. And then, antayin mo muna, since naka 1 minute tayo, antayin mo bumaba ng negative 100 yan. Okay, pagbaba ng negative 100, tapos nag-crossover si Emma, doon ka pumasok. Tandaan mo tong kulay blue na line ha. Huwag ka nang papasok pag nag-breakout na yan dyan ha. Okay? Make sense? Yan. Okay. Okay. All right, let's do a XRP. Sana natuto kayo, no? Natuto kayo sa charting natin. All right. Okay, let's do an XRP. Okay. Let's do a candle. Hi, Kinashi. Yan. Wow, okay. XRP lumilipad 1.24. Oh. Okay, well, ayan, nag-crossover na. Nag-crossover na si Emma kay Alma. Pero pag ganyan, dapat galing sa ilalim yung negative 100, no? CCI, no? Ayan, no? Look at this, no? Ayan, no? Galing sa ilalim. Diba? Yung candle na pinanggalingan, mas mababa siya kaysa dito. No? So, pwede siyang pasukan pag ganyan. Mas mababa siya yung pinanggalingan niya. Hindi siya galing sa taas, no? So, ayan. Crossover. Tumaas yung candle. Yan, that's gonna be for your scalping. If you're doing day trading, angat tayo sa 15 minutes. Tanggalin ko muna si CCI. If you're doing day trading, okay. Uh, okay. Labas. Okay, this one is very, very bullish, no? Okay, let's do... Dapat hindi niya mabasag tong line na to, ha? Tandaan nyo tong line na to. It shouldn't break that channel. Okay, so it's within the 50, within this middle range, no? So kailangan din niya yung basagin. So if you're going to do some day trading here, what you need to do is to make sure that you're trading within the ranges. Okay, and then lagyan mo yan ng MACD. Let's do a template here. Okay. Follow mo lang si MACD. Pag tumuro yan, like this, tumuro pababa, bumaba din yung price, di ba? Within the range, no? You're doing range trading eh. Kasi pag day trading, within hours ka, di ba? So, ang ginagawa dyan, unang-una, within range ka muna. Okay, within range, no? Tapos within that particular range, mag-aano ka, magagawa ka ng MACD sa baba. Di ba? Tapos, ang gawin mo, you do a smaller channels. You do smaller channel breakouts. Within the bigger channel, you'll do small channel. Kasi, ito, ilang oras yan eh. So, from dates, we go to the date range, from here to here, that's almost 11 hours. Diba? So, day trade yan, 11 hours yan. Trade within the range ka muna, wag kang, ingat ka lang kasi sobrang baka ma-whipso ka. Diba? Trade within the range ka muna. Tapos, alalay ka ng MACD. Tapos, kung para makatulong din sa ilagay ka ng Bollinger Band, sorry. Ng Bollinger Bands. Okay. Tapos, ang pamantayan ng Bollinger Bands, ilagay tayo ng for for swing traders, no? Let's do a BB50. Tapos 0.02. Ayan, okay. So medyo may pagka-bullish na siya, no? Pag na-retest niya tong BB50 line, pag bumaba pa yun, it could further go down, no? Yan, medyo matagal niyang hinag yung price dito. Then nag-breakout pababa, no? So, gagamitin mo lagi itong BB50 kung nag-aabang ka ng magandang posisyon. Kailangan nasa taas lagi yan. Okay? Mas maganda yung MACD mo sa baba. Tapos gumawa ka ng paraan na another template that you can use, itong alignment of the stars. Pag kayo nagpo-position ng trades, no? AOTS, gagawin nyo lagi, kailangan yung if you're going to do trading, maghanap ka muna ng ng signs of bullishness kapag ikaw ay trend follower, no? Pag hindi mo pa alam ang art of bottom picking, huwag ka munang magte-trade pag pababa yung coin. Tandaan mo 'yan, ha. So let me try to write that, no? Para alam mo kasi important 'yun, no? If you don't know yet the art of bottom picking, do not trade a bearish coin. Okay? May paraan po kasi yan, merong strategy ang pag-pick ng bottom coin and how to manage that, no? So kapag ang coin ninyo is going down, wag niyo munang i-trade kung hindi pa kayo sanay, no? So ang sistema ng AOTS is dapat ang pasok ninyo dyan is kailangan nagbe-breakout yan sa pinakabatang EMA. In this case, EMA 20. Pero nag-breakout pa lang siya sa EMA 100, which is kind of good, no? May pagka-signs of bullishness. Pero kailangan pa niyang basagin yung dalawang EMA, which is EMA 50 and EMA. Ang tawag ko dito, tatlong magkakapatid na EMA yan. Si EMA 20 siya yung batang babae na EMA. Yung EMA 50 siya yung nanay. Yung EMA 100 siya yung lola. So kailangan hindi lang yung lola yung ma-break na kailangan hanggang doon sa pinakabata, no? Para mag-signs of bullishness, no? So kapag hindi ka pa marunong mag-trade ng, wag ka munang mag-swing at mag-day trade ng stock na or coin na medyo mababa. Okay? So guys, 11 minutes. Let me answer some questions ngayon, no? Thank you guys for listening. 246 listeners, no? So coach, good day. Gaano po ba dapat kataas ang BB line para masabing safe pa pumasok? Kataas from BB line, basta po nag-breakout siya, pataas tapos makikita mo naman eh if you put a template, let's say a BB50, makikita niyo naman 'yan sa let's go to the 1 hour. You will see na normally kapag BB50 dapat nagba-bounce siya sa BB50. Pero pag ganito kasi very erratic, huwag niyo munang pasukan 'yan pag nagde-date, kapag kayo ay swing trade, no. You don't use BB kasi nasa ilalim pa siya, no. And then if you look at one day, ay medyo nirerespeto naman niya si BB50, no. Except dito talagang binasag niya, tumuloy-tuloy pababa. On a day trade, no, sorry, on a swing trade, no. Swing trade meaning weeks, no. Mataas naman ng respeto ng mga coin sa BB50 pero kailangan pasok ka dun sa mga area na nagba-bounce siya. Normally magba-bounce like this one, bounce, bounce, 'di ba? Pero nung na-break niya na, pag na-break niya na 'yan, hanggang doon sa pinakailalim na lower limit, most likely this will further go down, no? So, how to use the screener for crypto sa Investa? Salamat po. Okay, screener ng mabilis. Let's go to screener. Let's go to screeners and sige, while opening, antayin natin. All right. What will happen if hindi na siya bumalik as consolidation then tumuloy-tuloy na paakyat? Pag tumuloy-tuloy na paakyat, it could also further go down. Volatile pa din siya, 'di ba? And then abangan niyo yung mga resistance na sinabi ko para masabayan niyo siya tumaas kanina, 'di ba? Nagbigay ako ng mga resistance lines, no. Kailangan mabasag niya yung resistance line na yon, yung major resistance line para masabayan ninyo. Pag nabasag niya yung resistance line na yon, tataas at tataas pa yon. Makakasabay kayo. Huwag kayong sabay ng sabay niyan mo kayo ni-invite, 'di ba? Kailangan sabayan niyo ng may invitation, kailangan gano'n. 'Yan. So, click mo lang itong screener tapos pag hindi ka kasi elite, like ako kasi elite holder ako sa Investa, wala kang other exchange na pwedeng screen, no? And then alam ko hanggang basic lang, pero kasi may premium ako eh. 'Yan, so punta ka sa cryptocurrency. Tapos click mo lang premium, tapos click mo yung RSI 30. Another way, ayan, tinuturo ko yan. Tapos magra-run ka lang. Alam ko walang RSI ngayon. Walang parabolic, yung dalawa lang. USDT pa. Diba? Kasi market is capitulating. So ang mangyayari niyan, gawin mo dyan, mag-show filters ka, tanggalin mo yung RSI overbought, maghanap ka sa oversold. Oversold, run yan. Run tayo. Ang dami yan, 3. Diba? Okay. Same question sa screener Investac, dami kasing filters. Sige, gawa tayo ng gawa tayo ng video on how to use Investagrams. Okay? Tapos, kung wala ka pang Investagrams account, punta ka dyan sa description ng video na to. I created a sign up link there. Just use that. No? As your way, no? To filter. Maganda rin kasi ang Investa, to be honest, because ako kasi I'm also playing sa stock market, hindi lang sa crypto. I do stock market. I've been doing stock market for many years now. And that's where we started, no. And nagamit natin yung kasi parehas lang yan even for options, no. If you do options, yung technical analysis parehas lang din sa futures, sa derivatives, sa spot market, sa stock market, yan, parehas lang yan. Okay. Ace 40 yung ROE value para sa profit in the futures. That's your return on equity, no? May calculator tayong ginawa dyan, you could use that. Otherwise, kung hindi mo siya magamit, ang gagamitin mo if you go to your futures is punta ka sa let's try to open my Binance, no? Punta ka sa sa derivatives. Tapos punta ka sa USDS futures. Tapos may calculator sa kanan. I think I need to log in pa. Punta ka sa kanan, meron tong calculator sa pinakatabi ng depth. Katabi nung sell orders, a stop limit or may calculator, and you could use that to compute for your ano. Late po ba yung price sa Investa compare? Yes, medyo humahabol si Investa because hindi naman siya trading platform, no. It's only connected to several exchanges, no. Especially don't compare the future price to Investa price. Magkaiba 'yon. Coach, stock or crypto? Ha ha ha. Ayun, sorry if I'm using the word interchangeably ha, pasensya na kayo. Screener po are for premium users, coach. Hindi kami makasabay ha. Kaya nga, yun, just go here and I'll teach you how to use the screener para ako na lang gagamit para magamit din ninyo, okay? You guys could actually also see it. Kevin Lee, kakadating lang daw niya, ko lang na ako. What do you think? OP sa mga naipit sa SHIB. Thanks in advance. Yan, meron po kasi tayong video on SHIB. Yan no, pakinggan niyo po yung video ni Coach doon para hindi po kayo pasok ng pasok sa SHIB. So, more power din. Thank you, Kevin ha. Salamat. Let's go with Coach. Ba pa ba si BTC ng 40 or tutuloy-tuloy na pataas? Looking for a good entry. Based sa charting natin kanina, kailangan niyang mag-consolidate muna sa 38 to 40 level, 40K level. No? Sobrang ang bilis niya tumaas eh. So I need to see some consolidation before tayo makapag-conclude. No? Kailangan 3 or 4 na bounce sa support. No? Let's go with BTC. Masyado siyang mabilis umakyat. Let's do 1 hour. And besides, if you notice, if you look at the candle sa day charts, red pa din siya ha. Red pa din yan. So, ayan, yung kailangan niyang basagin yung 4,500. Maraming nag-bounce sa level na to. 4,500 resistance, no? Pag nabasag niya yan, it can further go higher, no? Very strong tong resistance na yan. Maraming nag-bounce yan. 1, 2, 3. Up until 46,000. So, kailangan niyang babasag yan. And that's potentially a good entry for you, no? And then, medyo naghahanap ako ng reason not to agree, no? Kasi yung volume, although yung volume dito medyo average, medyo hindi naman siya low volume, so hindi siya fluke. Isa pa yan sa mga gusto ko ituro sa inyo, no? Nakita niyo itong volume line sa baba. Minsan, kahit bumababa yung coin, pag walang volume, it is not a, hindi siya totoo, it's a fluke. Right? So medyo may volume siya dito eh. So we'll see, no? We'll see if it maintains and then meron siyang strong resistance sa 4,500 no, kailangan niyang hindi mabasag for BTC. Okay? Yeah guys, so please pa-like naman ang ating channel, no? Pa-like naman and pa-like ng live natin and share this live to your friends, no? And to your loved ones, okay? Okay, what other questions do we have? Okay, alright. Si Kung Cage nagsasagot na ng mga tanong. Very good. Sige, dyan ka lang. Thank you, Boss Judex. Thanks for promoting. Hit the like button, please, please. Alright. Art of bottom picking. Sige, aralin natin yan soon, no? Kailangan nyo yan sa sa other strat kasi maraming strategies, no? Merong mga trend followers, magagaling yan sa mga buy long, magagaling sa mga crypto that's actually going higher, no? Pero wag muna kayo ma-excite sa art of bottom picking. Masterin niyo muna yung tinuro ko sa inyo na strategies, no? Ang iba-ibang strategies that I've taught you, just make sure that you learn about that first para hindi kayo malito kasi pag inalam nyo ang art of bottom picking, which means yung mga heavily beaten coins, baka maguluhan kayo, no? Find yourself muna in terms of your strat. Saan ka magaling, no? Saan ka, where are you going to be, what's your edge, kumbaga. Diba? Okay, guys, I have 2 more minutes kung just a couple of more announcements for me and for the team. No? So, follow me in Miranda Minor TikTok. I would like to do a live session there as well. I think I need 350 followers na lang. If you have a TikTok account, please go there and please follow me there. So we could already do some live and ma-reach out natin ng ating TikTok followers, no? And then, of course, sa ating YouTube channel, we already have, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. We already have almost 9,700 followers, no? In Twitter, we already have 300 plus followers. If you can help me drive share my YouTube page to your friends. And then para marami pa makapag-subscribe, no? And then ang dami ko pang ina-assist ngayon, to be honest. Ang daming mga newbies na naghihingi ng tulong sa atin. Iniisa-isa ko sila sa Messenger. No, they're actually doing a PM for me sa Messenger. Humingi ng tulong, mga baguhan, no? Mga baguhan sila and they wanted to learn, no? So, parang tulad ninyo, mga naging bago din kayo when you were in your journey. So, ang dami nila, wala pa silang alam sa Binance. So, I'm helping all of them as well. So, ngayon kayo marurunong na, tulungan nyo rin yung mga bago, no? So, ako naman dun magfo-focus sa mga bago talaga. And I wanted to reach out to many more people that we can help, no? Especially yung mga hindi alam talaga. And siguro I would leave you with one word for the night, no? Um, it goes like this, no? If a trading plan has once begun, never leave it until it's done. Okay? If a stop loss be big or small, just continue putting it or not at all. So I hope you learned something on that, no? If a trading plan has once begun, never leave it until it's done. If a cut loss be big or small, just continue doing it or not at all. Actually, nakakatawang version nun. Just continue doing it or, have a zero wallet. I hope you learned something from that, guys. Um, and you continue to help each other bilang newbies. I love the culture ng ating live sessions. I love the culture of the Facebook groups natin. Sobrang ganda ng culture. Nakikita ko tulungan kayo lahat, even on the Discord channel. No? So, please continue. And then, sa ating mga moderators, thank you sa help and tulong ninyo. Kenneth, salamat sa kind words. Thank you. I appreciate that. And yes, I will take a rest for tonight. And alam to ni Zild, ni Zild yan. Magkakape na naman si Coach, di ba? Ang gabi po tayo, kaya sabayan nyo ako sa live charting ko sa Twitter. Okay? I will be doing some tweets mamaya. Tingnan natin. And congratulations sa mga nakasabay, no? Ang ganda ng market yata ngayon, di ba? Sobrang green, di ba? Pero as I've said, no, wait for consolidation sa mga day traders, no? But wait for consolidation, guys, ha? And always remember, Coach Miranda loves all of you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And dami pa nating bagong videos. Maghabol kayo. We already have 40 plus videos, oy, ha? Maghabol kayo. Okay? All right, guys, that's gonna be for your food of thought. I love all of you, and you guys all take care. And Coach Miranda loves all of you. Have a good rest of your night, and God bless.